Billyjack in front of the Central Union Church of Honolulu, exhibiting lovely brickwork. Pay close attention to the foundation, or what appears to be the foundation. That's not. That is not a cement slab. That is a layer of cement plastered on the outside of the building to protect the blocks below the surface of the earth right here from too much moisture going in there. That it would appear to be the foundation of the building, but it's not. It's not the foundation. Here in the back, goes all the way back around. I'm not sure if these blocks are cut or if they're poured. So it goes down in the back here. Not exactly. All the way down, all the way around the buildings like that. Beautiful steeple. How old is this thing really? You know, when I first started doing this, all these buildings in the same area, on this side of those mountains over there, have about the same grading slope from the back to the front. Romanesque looking entrance there, when you say? Is that original? The back tells it all right there. Another mud floater. Wow. Billyjack over and out.